Oranges are a delicious and nutritious fruit that offer a variety of health benefits. They are a good source of vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, as well as other vitamins and minerals. Here are some of the benefits of oranges for a healthy body. Subscribe my channel, please. Boost the immune system. Oranges are a good source of vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. Vitamin C helps the body produce white blood cells, which fight off infection. Reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Oranges contain antioxidants, which can help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to the development of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Improve heart health. Potassium is a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. Oranges are a good source of potassium, which can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Promote weight loss. Oranges are low in calories and high in fiber. Fiber helps you feel full and satisfied after eating, which can help you eat less and lose weight. Improve digestive health. The fiber in oranges can help keep your digestive system healthy. Fiber helps to regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. Protect the skin. Vitamin C is important for collagen production, which helps to keep the skin firm and elastic. Oranges are a good source of vitamin C, which can help protect the skin from aging and damage. In addition to these benefits, oranges are also a refreshing and delicious snack. They are a great way to add variety to your diet and improve your overall health. Here are some tips for incorporating more oranges into your diet. Eat an orange for breakfast or snack. Add orange slices to your cereal or yogurt. Make an orange smoothie. Pack orange slices in your lunchbox. Add orange slices to your dinner plate. Make an orange salad. Bake oranges into muffins or bread. Freeze orange juice for later. No matter how you choose to eat them, oranges are a healthy and delicious way to improve your overall health.